And what I see is that a lot of people treat it like working out before a marathon. When you think about working out after a long break or illness, you start showing up, you're consistent, you're doing the work. And at first, them results, they just are not going to show up. You don't see the results you want as fast as you want. Why? Because it takes time, real time. And honestly, the hardest part is not working out. It's not seeing the results that you want. But in progress doesn't care about your timeline. Over time, that consistency is going to start working though. Networking works the same way. You don't build them overnight. You build it through small, consistent reps, like staying connected, supporting people, engaging in conversation, being visible over time. Networking is not sliding in someone's inbox like, hey, y'all got some jobs over there. That's not what it's about. Networking is nurturing professional relationships before you need anything. Hence the word before. I've had some very valuable opportunities in my career come directly through relationships, whether it was people that I had worked with before, the tech communities or the nonprofit organizations that I was a part of, or even recruiters reaching out directly to me on LinkedIn. And many times someone already knew my work before that opportunity even existed. I've even had previous and current managers write letters of recommendation because of the relationships that were already built. However, I've also seen the opposite. I've seen professionals wait until a layoff happens or something traumatic happens or you're mad or whatever the case is, and then they try to hurry up and build a network overnight because they put those blinders on while they're employed. They don't document the value, they're not staying connected, and they panic and suddenly need their support. But networking isn't something that you just turn on during a career emergency. I also see this with my students too. The ones who engage in the conversations and lean into the community, they progress a little faster than those isolated learners. Because if you don't speak, nobody knows where the gaps are, nobody knows where the commonalities are, nobody knows how to connect with you. Growth in fitness or careers happens through interaction and feedback. So, according to LinkedIn Global Talent, research shows that about 70 to 80% of jobs are actually acquired through networking and referrals. And I'm not saying that you have to be like besties or road dogs with the people that you're networking with, because even those weak ties, meaning like people that you're loosely connected with, often lead to job opportunities because they expose you to new networks. LinkedIn data also shows that professionals who stay active and visible are more likely to be discovered by recruiters over time. Visibility compounds is something that just continues to grow. Relationships compound the exact same way fitness results do. That small, consistent effort today creates those opportunities you can't even predict yet. So, for a lot of people, networking feels overwhelming. And if you're one of those, just start small. Comment thoughtfully on someone's post, check in with a former coworker, share something that you're learning. I always tell my students, learn out loud. Those are reps. Careers are not built during emergencies, they're built through consistency long before that moment arrives. Just like you don't get in shape the week before a marathon because you need your stamina. And you shouldn't start building your network only when you need the opportunity. You have to train your network the same way you train your strength. You got to be consistent. So, are you building your network consistently or are you waiting until you need it to lean in? Ask yourself that.